Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain the 3 degrees of comparison. 3 degrees of comparison. That is, one is positive degree, second one comparative degree, and third superlative degree. Positive, comparative, and superlative. It is possible to change the degrees of comparison of an adjective or adverb in a sentence without changing the meaning of that sentence. It is possible to change the degrees of comparison of an adjective or adverb in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. We can change that sentence. There will not be any change in the meaning of that sentence. So the main degrees of, I told you, the main degrees of comparison are, first one positive, second one is comparative, comparing. That word, meaning of that word is implied in that sentence itself. Compare, we are comparing with other, comparative. Then superlative, superlative, that is third. Firstly we can see what is the peculiarity of this positive degree. In the case of this positive degree, there is no comparison with others. It's only that in that degree, the adjective or adverb is not compared with others. That is the peculiarity of, that's the nature of that positive degree. Positive degree. But at the same time, in the case of this comparative degree, we are comparing with others. We are comparing. When there are two things, two persons or two things, we can make a comparison. At that time, when we are comparing with other persons or other things, we are using this comparative degree. But in the case of the superlative degree, that is if there are three persons or things of the same category, we are using superlative degree. If the three persons or things belong to same category or of the same class, we can use this superlative degree. So we can see, I'll give you some examples of some adjectives or adverbs. I'll give you some examples. And for example, we can see firstly clever. Clever, it is an adjective, clever. That is positive. Then comparative is cleverer. Then superlative is cleverest. Cleverest. Third degree. One is clever, positive. Then comparative, cleverer. Then cleverest, that is superlative. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. So, clever, first one you can say, clever. It is a positive degree. It belongs to positive. That adjective is a positive. Next one we can say another example. Bold, bolder, boldest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Boldest. In the same way, wise, W-I-S-E, wise. Wiser, wisest. Wise, wiser, wisest. You can see. So, first one, bold, bolder, boldest. We are adding this word, ya. We are adding, before this vowel sound, O, bold. This O. We are seeing an O, bold. Then we are using the word bolder or boldest. In this case, we are adding er and est to get comparative and positive, superlative degree. In the same way, we can say weak, weak, next that is the positive. Then weaker, that is comparative, weaker, and weakest, weak, weaker, weakest, weak, weaker, weakest. So we are using these things. Here you can see there is no comparison. He is a clever boy. He is a clever boy. There is no comparison. Clever, there is a positive. Here we can see here cleverer. That means we are comparing with other two persons or objects. We are comparing. Cleverer. Next one is cleverest. So the same category. These three belongs to same category. Same category. So last one cleverest. Next one weak. That is weaker and weakest. Third one superlative is weakest. So these are some examples of this positive, comparative, and superlative. Next one big, bigger, biggest, big, big one. An adjective big, bigger. That is comparative. Next superlative, biggest. So next one biggest. That is superlative. Then another one is that fit, fitter, fittest. Fit, fitter, fittest. Fit, fitter, fittest. Third degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. So we saw. So next one is that there are certain verbs where here we understood that we used the ER with bold. The same way boldest EST we used. Here also weak. This is a positive. We used the word, we added the word ER to get a comparative degree and EST to get a superlative degree. But there are certain other words where we are not using this ER or EST. There are certain other words where we are not using EST or ER. For example, I will give you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is a positive. It is a positive. Beautiful adjective, positive. But we will not use beautifuler. We can use more beautiful. We can use more beautiful to get a comparative degree. In the same way, we can use most beautiful to get a superlative degree. So I told you that some words are exempted. We should not think that in order to get a comparative degree and a superlative degree, we should always use the word ER and EST with a positive adjective. No, it is not true. Some words we cannot use, or we will not get a comparative degree and positive degree by using this ER and EST for all words. For example, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful is more beautiful and most beautiful. More beautiful and most beautiful. The same way you can say intelligent, intelligent. Intelligent you can say more intelligent and most intelligent you can say. More intelligent, most intelligent. In the same way, another one, pleasant, pleasant, pleasant. We should not say, or we will not say pleasanther, we will say more pleasant. The same way, most pleasant, more pleasant, most pleasant. That is another thing. Next one is that in the same way, there are certain other words where it is entirely different from this feature. For example, good, good, G-O-O-D, good. We are not saying gooder, we will say better, B-E-T-T-R, better, to get a comparative degree. Good, better. Then superlative, we are using best, good, better, best, we are using. So, and next one we can see that far, F-A-R, far. That means it is far away from this place. That means it shows some distance. Far, it is another word. We are using farther, farther, not far, farther. Next, to get superlative, we use farthest. Far, farther, farthest. The same way, next, bad, bad is a bad boy. We are not using bad, badder, we will use worse, W-O-R-S, worse. Then worst, worst, W-O-R-S-T. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Same way, far, farther, farthest. That's what we are using. So, Moreover, another thing is that we should not use double comparative. We should not say he is more happier. He is more happier. We should not use he is more happier. We should not use. Understood? He is happier, you can say. Do two comparison, you should not make it two comparison. Two comparison you should not do. That is another rule. So next I will give you some examples. I will write some sentence. I can write some sentence on the board. You just to see, you can see this is three boys or three pictures you can see. One, this is called as we can assume, we can suppose this is the name of one boy, Raju. Next one, this is another Peter. We can say, we can give him Peter. Here, then this is Tom, T-O-M, Tom. So these three boys are in the class. We can make here Raju and then Peter, then Tom. If you are saying the word, if you are using the word tall, T-A-L, tall, or if you are using the word short, how we say? We can say that Raju is the tallest boy. Not Raju, this, but is it Tom? Tom is the tallest boy in the class. Tom is tallest boy. Understood? Next one, Peter is taller than Raju. Peter is taller than Raju, we can say. Peter is taller than Raju. Here, this is positive. Then this is comparative. Peter is taller than Raju. Taller, T-A-L-L-E-R. Tall is positive, taller, comparative, tallest, superlative. Peter is taller than Raju. But at the same time here, Tom is tallest of all others. Tom is tallest of all other boys. Tom is tallest of all other boys. You can see. Next example I will give you. Next we can say that no other metal is useful as iron. No other metal is useful as iron. No other metal is as useful as useful as. You should use the word as. No other metal is as useful as iron. As useful as. And one rule which we are following is that in normal case we will use the word than, T-H-E-N, than, to express comparative. In comparative degree, normally we are using than, T-H-E-N, than. But there are some occasions where we are not using than. Without using this than, we can change or we can write comparative degree. But normal case, we are using than. For example, I told you here, this Peter is taller than, T-H-E-N, than Raju. Then here superlative degree, with order to Tommy is the tallest of all boys. Tallest, tall. Here in the same way, no other metal is as useful as. As two times we are using the word as. Here, this is positive. Then you want to change it into comparative. No other metal is as useful as iron. You can say that iron is more useful than any other metal. Iron is more useful than any other metal. You can say iron is more useful than any other metal. That is comparative. Iron is more useful than any other metal. That is comparative degree. That's So one is that much more, most we will say. Then we can say that iron is the most useful. Iron is the most useful metal. Iron is the most useful metal. So that is iron is the most useful metal. That means it is also superlative. Much more, most we will say. So iron is more useful metal than any other metals. In the same way, Calcutta is larger than any other town. 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 So, if you are changing into superlative, Calcutta is largest. Calcutta is the largest of all other towns. That you can say. Then if you are changing into positive, no other town is as large as Calcutta. No other town is as large as Calcutta. No other town, because largest city is the largest city in Calcutta. No other town is as large as Calcutta. So this is only some example I am giving you. It is enough, I think, that then because it will enable you to get 1 mark or 2 marks for almost all board exam they will ask. Because firstly you should understand while comparing, while making comparative degree, we are using the word than in most cases. And in the same way, when we are using positive degree, we can use as. For example, when we are converting from comparative to positive, we can use as. For example, here Calcutta is larger than any other cities in the world, in India. Any other, or we can say no other city is as large, as busy as Calcutta, or as large as Calcutta. This example is enough for you. Just it is a very short time class, short minutes I explained you. So you are able to get 1 mark if you listen this thing. So again I am saying that when we are comparing two persons, for things of the same classes, when we are comparing two persons for things, we will use comparative degree. But if there is no comparison, we are using positive. For example, weak is a weak boy. That is only positive. He is a weak boy. Then if here you can see this is short. Raju is a short boy. This is only positive. But we want to change it into comparative. For example, this is Peter is taller than Raju. Then superlative degree. When we are changing, when we want to change the same category, we are using the word. What is it? Tom is tallest. Tom is tallest of all other boys. Tom is tallest of all other boys. That is the difference. So here tall, taller, taller. Then I told you that there are some words where we are not applying this ER or EST to get a comparative and superlative. For example, intelligent, we will use more intelligent and most intelligent. We will not say we are not using ER with intelligent. More intelligent and most intelligent we will say. The same way beautiful, we are not using the word ER or EST. We will use more beautiful and most beautiful only. So these are the fundamental principles which you should obey. Firstly, it is the same way pleasant, more pleasant and most pleasant. The intelligence, same way. Some more examples I will give you from my notes. For example, I am as strong as he. I am as strong as he. This is a positive. I am as strong as he. So comparative degree is I am as strong as he. You can say he is stronger than me or he is stronger than I. Both are correct. I am as strong as he. That is positive, strong word. Then you are changing into comparative. He is stronger than I or I am. No, we are changing. I am stronger than he or him. You can say the same way. Next we can say that iron is most. I told you. I already explained. I already explained to you. Next one you can say that Bombay is one of the richest town in India. Bombay is one of the richest town in India. It shows that some other towns are there also. Among the towns, Bombay is one of the Bombay is one of the towns. One of the richest towns in India. Bombay is one of the richest towns in India. You can change it into comparative. Bombay is richer than. Bombay is richer than most other towns in India. It is one of the. There are certain other towns which are rich, but Bombay is one among them. Bombay is richer than most other cities, most other towns. Bombay is richer than most other cities or most other towns. We can say. Next one is that iron is. I told you, iron is more useful than any other metal. Iron is more useful than any other metal. You can say. Iron is you can say iron is most useful metal. Most useful of all metals. You can say. Iron is most useful metal of all metals. That's another thing. So everything we have already some example I have already given. I think that you have already understood it. So when it is possible to, we can change. It is possible to change an adjective or it is possible to change an adjective or adverb in a sentence without using its meaning, without changing the meaning of that sentence. It is possible to change. It is possible to change the adjective or adverb in a sentence without changing the meaning in that sentence. On such occasion, we are using this positive degree or comparative degree and superlative degree. While we are using comparative degree, in most cases we are using than, get, and than with adjective. We will use than with adjective. Say that in the case of positive, only there is no other competition is there. We are not comparing because he is only a short boy. Raju is a short boy in the class, or Raju is short boy. You can say Raju is a short boy. But at the same time, if we are using superlative, we say Raju is the shortest boy in the class. The same wise man is wisest boy, or is the tallest man in the class. That also can say. That's it. It's enough. But again, I am saying that for some words we are not using the word er or est to get a positive and a comparative degree. For example, beautiful, we will not say beautifuler. Instead, we will say more beautiful and most beautiful. In the same way, intelligent, we will say more intelligent and most intelligent. In the same way, pleasant, we will say more pleasant and most pleasant. Bad, there are certain other categories where we are not using. Where we are not adding the word er or est. For example, bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. Many, more, most. Many, more, most. Good also, better, best. Good, not a gooder, good, better, best. So it's enough for you. You'll get 1 mark for almost all exam. I'm stopping now. Now it is ended. Thank you very much. You please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.